Hey, this is Nate with Kickass Marketers. I wanted to thank you for reaching out and pressure washing friends. I wanted to make you a quick video, kind of go over 3 things that you could do today to help improve your rankings on Google, give you a little bit of a free attack plan. I'll try to keep it short. I know you're a business owner, you got things to do. I want to go over content, citations, and backlinks. I always start with content. With Google, content is king. They want to know that they're sending people to relevant websites when somebody does a search. So say somebody types in commercial cleaning, New York City. If that's an area that you're in, they want to know that you do commercial cleaning and you work in that area. So we recommend about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your home page and about 500 to 750 on all of your back pages. You guys have a great looking site, but it does not have a lot of content on it. So we really want to get that bumped up so you can put those keywords and key phrases in there that Google's looking for. Here's a couple other sites that I pulled up. They still don't have a ton of content, super easy to beat out. Gives you the space to get those key phrases in there organically so they look like they fit and Google can find them. Google doesn't really see any of the pictures or anything. Here's another site that we found. They have quite a bit of content, but they're probably still not at the 1,500 word mark. I could find out real quick. Yeah, they're about 855. If you add some of these other things down here, they may bump it up to 900 to 1,000, but still a little shy of where we'd really like to see it. The reason the content is so important is for your keywords and your keyword phrases. This is Ahrefs, a tool that we use. You're not showing up for any organic keywords right now on the Google searches. These guys are showing up for 354. These guys are showing up for over 7,000. So if I go in here and look, being this many, I may not find the ones that I'm looking for, but actually they're right here. Number 1, Office Cleaning Services NYC. That says what you do and where you do it. There are 300 people a month that search that keyword. These guys are in the number 1 position. And generally, the number 1 position gets about 1/3 of all of that search traffic. So they're getting 105 visits to their site per month because of this one keyword. They're also in One-Time Cleaning Service, New York City. They're in the number 1 position. 150 people a month are looking for it. They're getting 64 visits to their site per month because of that keyword. So I call those generic keywords. Those are the ones that I like to see. Commercial cleaning service is what they do. They do that in New York. So we really want to get some of those keywords rolling into your content. The second thing that I like to talk about are your citations. This right here is called the Google Map Pack. Citations are what help get you there. Citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in multiple directories across the internet, such as Merchant Circle, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp. There's thousands of them out there. We use a tool called WhiteSpark to search those. Right now, you've got 15. Commercial Cleaning has 60, and Busy Bee Cleaning has 124, which is the most I have ever seen, and I've done about 180 of these videos in the past 2 weeks. But realistically, there's thousands of them out there. There's no reason this couldn't be 300 or 400 if you really push to get it. It's a matter of going out, finding the directory, signing up for it. Typically, you're going to get an email that verifies that it's you, and then you click on the link in the email and you go back in and put your information in there. It takes a lot of time, but it is totally doable. The third thing that I mentioned was backlinks. Right now, you have 64 backlinks, and a backlink is any site that points back to your site. It's kind of Google's popularity contest. The more sites that want to be connected to you, the more sites that think you're relevant, the more authority Google gives you. But you do want to try to keep those backlink sites relevant to what you do. A lot of your citations will give you backlinks. You can look at commercial cleaning type of blogs, read some articles, make some comments, even local community blogs, just to get your name out there, get a link back to your site. It's not super difficult. It just takes a lot of time to track them all down. If we look here, these guys have 596. These guys have over 10,000. Now, realistically, having over 10,000, a lot of those may be like spammy type backlinks that we wouldn't want, because not all backlinks are created equal. You do want to try to keep them relevant to what you're doing. But we kind of use what I call the copycat method. With these guys having 10,000 backlinks, we could go in and see where their backlinks are coming from and try to go to those same sites, see if they're relevant to what we're trying to do, and get those same backlinks for you. So that's kind of my overview. That's how we go about doing it, but it is something you can do on your own. It just takes a lot of time. If you got any questions, feel free to give me a call, 210-383-8401, or you can hit me up on Facebook. But just for a quick recap, content, 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage, 500 to 750 on your back pages. Citations, go out there and get in those directories, getting as many of them as you can get. For your backlinks, like I said, the citations will help, but there's also blog commenting, guest posts. There's lots of ways to do it. It's just a matter of figuring out where you can get them and how to get it done. It just takes a lot of time. Thank you for your time, and I hope to hear back from you. Really appreciate it.